Hey everyone, very glad to come back and create a new video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create and manage a Google Classroom. Whether you're a teacher or a student, having Google Classroom is a great tool for organizing your assignments, communicating with your classmates, and collaborating on projects. Okay, first of all, to create a Google Classroom, you need a Google account, a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, I have a video on how to create a Gmail account in some simple steps very easily. I have clarified everything, so you can go and watch that video and create a Gmail account. Then after having the Gmail account, there are two ways to go to Google Classroom. One is going to Google Classroom through this tab. You come here and click on Classroom, or you just need to write classroom.google.com. Okay, here there are two options. We can create a class or we can join a class. If you are a student, you can join a class. You just enter the code that you have received from your teacher. Or if you are a teacher, you need to create a class. Okay, we want to create a class. First of all, name of the class is required. You have to give a name to your class. Digital marketing, let's say. That's the name of our class. The others, they are optional. You can choose the room, you can choose the subject, you can choose the section. It depends. But digital marketing, the name, class name is required. You need to fill in that part. So we will create. We click on creating. Congratulations. Now you have your own Google Classroom. You created the Google Classroom. That's the first part. The second part is how to manage Google Classroom. In the navigation bar above, there are 4 different options. Each one is, all of them, they are important. We will talk about all of them, each one. But first, you need to go to people. Here in people, you just need to add your students. You are the teacher, and by adding your students, you just need to enter the email of your students. Or this is one way. If you have the email of all of your students, you just enter all of the emails and send an invitation, a link for the email of all of the students. Another way is to, let's go back to, another way is to send this link to your students. This code, this is the class code of your classroom subject. You can send this code to your student, and by having this code, they can join your class. You can use both of them. Then after that, after inviting your students and when your students join the class, then we will go to classwork. This one we can use in classwork. We have many options, like creating an assignment, creating a quiz assignment, questions, sending them material, reuse a post. You posted, you have a post that you post in the past and you want to repost it. Imagine that we want to create an assignment. Okay, of course, you need to give a name to your assignment. Here in the instruction you'll provide, in the instruction, of course it's optional. You can provide the instruction here. For example, you need to prepare a presentation on the fundamentals of digital marketing. That is let's say this is the instruction for the students. Also, you can write a due date. For example, you want to give them a date, a deadline. You just give them only 1 week. You can tell them that April 30th, so that's the deadline. Time is optional. You can just also create like it. So Sunday, April 13, 11:59 p.m. is the deadline to submit the presentation. Also, you can create a rubric for them. If you have a rubric, you can create a new one. You can reuse another one. You can import rubric from outside of Google Classroom from your computer. Or you can attach drive, any file from your Google Drive, a link, a video from YouTube, or upload a file or sending them a link. It depends. And also here, do you want to send it to all of the students? If you want to send all of the students, then you can just click on all the students. If you don't, you can choose, of course here we don't have students right now. You can choose only the students that you want to or let's say prepare the presentation. This way, now you just need to assign. Then after that, a link a notification is sent for all of the students to about the assignment, and all of them, they get the notification that they have a new assignment. After that, we will come to grades. So when the student they reply your assignment, their assignments come here, and you can grade their assignments. You can leave a feedback for them. You can tell them how their assignment is, and that is it. And also here, sometimes we have archived classes if you want to archive your classes. And also we have the stream here. Stream also is important. Here you can use this part to communicate with your student. If you have an announcement, you can just write the announcement here. For example, next class will be on Monday at 11 a.m. at conference hall. So you can just post it. The assignment, of course, notification will be sent for all of the students that there is a new assignment. Or you can also, if you want to send a file from your Google Drive, or if you want to send a YouTube video, or upload files from your computer, or send them a link, you can send them. Here you can choose all of the students if you want to send to all of the students, or you choose a group, or let's say some specific students. So in this part you can customize your classroom as well. Here you can upload a photo, or you can select a photo from the one that we have here from Google Classroom. Let's choose this one. So, or you can upload a photo from your computer. Select a photo from your computer. And then we click on Save. That's all about creating classroom and managing classroom. Of course, Google Classroom is very, very important for students and teachers as well. I hope you got enjoyed and benefit from my video. At the end, don't forget again to like my video and subscribe my channel to have more videos. Have a nice time.